Before we begin, what if I told you there is a country where mountains touch the clouds, where wild lions still roam freely just hours away from modern cities, and where oceans, forests, deserts, and skyscrapers all exist in one place? This is not a dream. This is South Africa. Welcome to Storeroom Digital Empire, your home for cinematic journeys around the world, mysterious discoveries, and the most beautiful places on Earth. Before we continue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which country you want next. Because today we are not just watching a video, we are traveling across one of the most diverse countries on Earth, from Cape Town's mountains, to wild oceans, to powerful wildlife, and modern cities full of life. South Africa is a country that feels like many worlds combined into one. Let's begin this journey. At the southern edge of Africa lies Cape Town, a city so beautiful it almost doesn't feel real. It is surrounded by one of the most iconic mountains in the world, Table Mountain, a giant flat-topped mountain that stands above the city like a natural crown. When clouds flow over its surface, it looks like a waterfall in the sky. From the top, you can see everything, the city below filled with color and movement, and the Atlantic Ocean stretching endlessly into the horizon. Cape Town is special because it is not just a city, it is a meeting point of nature and modern life. On one side, powerful mountains. On the other side, endless ocean. And in the middle, a city full of energy, culture, and life. It feels like standing inside a painting that changes every hour of the day. The coastline of South Africa is not just beautiful, it is one of the most powerful natural frontiers on Earth. Here, the Atlantic Ocean does not simply touch the land, it attacks it. Gigantic waves rise from the deep blue horizon like moving walls of water, crashing against ancient rocky cliffs that have stood for millions of years. The sound alone is enough to remind you how small humans are in the presence of nature. In some areas, the coastline transforms completely. Soft golden beaches stretch peacefully under warm sunlight, where the ocean gently breathes in and out like a living creature. But just a few kilometers away, everything changes again. The sea becomes wild, unpredictable, almost angry, as if it is trying to reshape the land itself. Whales migrate through these deep waters, traveling thousands of kilometers across invisible ocean highways. Dolphins move in synchronized groups, almost like intelligence beneath the surface. And seabirds circle endlessly above the waves, as if guarding the edge of the world. This coastline is not silent. It is alive, powerful, and constantly moving. A place where the ocean never rests, and the earth never stops responding. Deep inside South Africa, far away from cities and human noise, exists a world that feels untouched by time itself. This is the wild. In places like Kruger National Park, nature still follows its original rules, unchanged for thousands of years. Lions move through tall golden grass with silent precision, their presence felt even before they are seen. Elephants walk like living monuments, ancient, intelligent, and powerful enough to reshape the land beneath their feet. Giraffes stand high above the trees, watching everything with calm awareness, as if they understand the entire horizon. And across the open plains, herds of antelope move in perfect synchronization. Every step driven by instinct, survival, and memory passed through generations. There is no control here, no safety nets, only balance, only survival. Every sound in the distance could mean life or death. Every movement tells a story written by nature itself. This is not a controlled environment. This is Earth in its original form. And standing here, you realize something deeply important. Nature does not belong to us. We belong to it. South Africa is not only defined by wilderness, it is also a country of powerful modern cities. Johannesburg stands as one of the most energetic urban centers in Africa. Skyscrapers rise toward the sky, glass and steel reflecting sunlight like mirrors of ambition. Roads stay alive day and night, filled with movement, progress, and constant activity. This is a city built on growth, a place where the future is being shaped every single day. Meanwhile, Durban tells a different story, A coastal city where ocean winds mix with urban life, where trade, culture, and creativity flow together. Music fills the streets, art appears in unexpected places, and people from different backgrounds build one shared rhythm of life. What makes South Africa extraordinary is not just its cities, but how close they are to nature. Here you can leave a skyscraper, and within a few hours stand in front of wild animals or open savanna. Few places on Earth offer this kind of contrast, where modern civilization and untouched wilderness exist so close together.